The ability to make others feel good is just so beautiful. Because not only do they feel good, but since you're the source, they'll like you more and be inclined to repay you. This has the potential to open up a lot of opportunities for both of you. Compliments are a great method to make this happen, and I'm about to share with you my tier list so that you can be the source of good feelings. Tier 1 is your common, low-effort compliments. Examples would be, I like your video, or you look good. Tier 2 is constructive compliments. Here you need to point out something specific that makes you say your compliment. Examples would be like, I like your video, it's really short and gets to the point. Or, you look good, the color suits your personality. It's okay to point out more than one thing, just don't go overboard because then they will all neutralize each other. The goal is to make them feel extra good about something specific, which will also encourage them to do more of it. So pick your favorite. The last one is tier 3, which is special compliments. To ascend to this tier, you need to acknowledge and compliment the backstage struggle / the amount of effort put into it. Complimenting the struggle would be, I like your video, it's really short and gets to the point. It must have been difficult to say so much in so little time. Complimenting the effort can be done like this. You look good. All that effort you put in really paid off, for there's so much attention to detail throughout your outfit. Like the colors, they blend together nicely and suit your personality. The struggle we go through usually goes unnoticed, so it feels great to have our efforts in the spotlight. Again, this encourages us to put in more effort, which will make us do even better next time. Those are the tiers, and in order to use them effectively, you need to match them to the situation you're in. And there are primarily 2 factors you need to consider. 1, how well you know them, and 2, how much effort they put in. In other words, if someone catches your phone that tipped over the edge, you don't go, nice catch! Your reflexes are on point, and I can tell you put in a lot of effort into it by the grunt you make. What I would like to see is that people use constructive compliments more often. For they fit into most situations, but are a step up from the common compliments. And it can still be casual like, you look nice, I like your haircut. Special compliments should be used for those special moments where you feel that they deserve to be acknowledged for the hard work they put in. Like when somebody has lost a lot of weight. Just make sure not to use tier 3 compliments on the same person too often, or it won't be as special anymore. I wanted to make this video as short as possible, and I had to make some cuts because of it. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. I got a little bonus information down there for you too. If you want to do some homework, I suggest you give a constructive compliment to someone once a day for the next 7 days. And if you want to practice, then you could, I don't know, maybe give a compliment about this video. And until I see you again, take care of yourselves.